We're at the State Library. It's very exciting.
Love public physics lectures.
My friend told me about it.
I was in Bensdale. Travelled up this morning.
It's great to be back in an academic environment where now I'm not going to get tested on this.
Let me ask our first speaker to come up. Professor Jared Cole, can you please make him feel welcome?
Lecture was very interesting.
Fantastic.
Really impressive lecture.
Professors from all around Australia.
These concepts of spectra and colours and solar cells.
Molecules excited by photons. I learned that tonight.
I learned about how they were using molecules to upconvert and downconvert energy.
I will come to more of these.
I'm looking forward to more. I think it's great to make this information accessible to the public.
It was really clever and really well done.